In this video, I want to do a detailed walkthrough of a very common methodology, the method of elimination. It is a reduction method. We pick a variable, eliminate it from the system, and we have reduced the problem to one equation with only one unknown. For easy reference, I'm going to label these equations 1 and 2 respectively. I will eliminate the variable y from the system by multiplying 2 to the first equation, because this will make the coefficient of y equals to 6 for both equations. Multiplying 2 to the first equation, we get 4 times 2, which is 8x, plus 3 times 2 is 6, so we get 6y equals to 5 times 2, which is 10. I will copy the second equation just below this new equation. This will make the next step very easy to visualize. Now I'm going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. Starting from the left-hand side, 8 minus 5 is 3, so I have 3x, plus 6y minus 6y is 0, and then on the right-hand side, I have 10 minus 13, that's minus 3. Now I have successfully reduced the system of two equations with two unknowns into one equation with one unknown. Dividing both sides by 3, I get x equals to minus 1. Putting this new information, x equals minus 1, back into the first equation, we get 4 times minus 1 plus 3 times y equals to 5. Moving the negative 4 to the other side, we have 3y equals to 9. Dividing both sides by 3, we get y equals 3. Therefore, x plus y equals to minus 1 plus 3, which is 2. So the answer is C. Of course, there's nothing sacred about the variable y, so I'm going to do the same question by eliminating x this time. I'm going to multiply 5 to the first equation and 4 to the second equation. By doing so, the first equation becomes 20x plus 15y equals to 25. Multiplying 4 to the second equation, we get 20x plus 24y equals to 13 times 4, which is 52 on the right-hand side. Next step is the same as before. I'm going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. This time the 20x cancels out. We are left with 15 minus 24, that is negative 9 times y, equals to 25 minus 52, that's negative 27. So again, we have reduced two equations with two unknowns into one equation and one unknown. Dividing both sides by negative 9, we get y equals 3. Now we can put the information y equals 3 back into the first equation. So we have 4 times x plus 3 times 3 equals 5. Moving 9 to the other side, we have 4x equals negative 4. Therefore, x equals to minus 1. And of course, the answer is the same. X plus y equals to minus 1 plus 3, which is 2 again. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more problem-solving technique videos.